Welcome back. Today, we have a delicious treat for you, healthy single-serve desserts that are both nutritious and satisfying. Get ready to indulge without any guilt. First up, we have these mouth-watering mini fruit tarts. They are made with a buttery almond crust, filled with a creamy vanilla custard, and topped with an assortment of fresh fruits. Next, we have these decadent chocolate avocado mousse cups. Don't let the avocado fool you. It adds a creamy texture without overpowering the rich chocolate flavor. You won't believe they're healthy. For a refreshing option, try these delightful yogurt parfaits. Layered with creamy Greek yogurt, homemade granola, and a medley of fresh berries, they make a perfect guilt-free dessert or even a healthy breakfast. These single-serve desserts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track with your health goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Hit that notification bell to never miss an update.